How to make $6,000 a month from affiliate marketing. This is part 3 of this 3-part video series. In part 1, we spoke about what affiliate marketing is and how to pick an offer. In part 2, we spoke about creating the funnel. We actually went through the exact steps of creating that funnel, creating the email autoresponder and testing everything. And now in part 3, we are going to be talking about advertising our funnel, getting traffic and getting conversions so we can actually start making money. In the funnel that we made in the previous video, there was a free enticing offer, and that is where I created a tutorial on how to use Phota and how to create different image effects and how to just edit images in a fun way. We have to remember what that free enticing offer is now that we're going to be creating a marketing plan and actually sending traffic, because there is no point creating an ad talking about something completely irrelevant. We need to talk about that free offer. So in our ad, we're going to be talking about different ways to edit, black and white, the color images, how to make a sky pop, maybe how to replace a person, or how to fix blemishes, or how to do some touch up or airbrushing, right? If we can make ads around that topic and lead them into our funnel, it will make a lot of sense for the person, and then they would eventually sign up and go through to Phota and hopefully purchase. We're going to be promoting our funnel with a few different platforms. Let me go through the free options with you first. We have Instagram, we have TikTok, we have YouTube, and we have Pinterest. Those are going to be the free places we promote our funnel. Let's talk about that for a bit, and then I'll go over and talk about the paid options. Now, I know there are tons more platforms, tons more free platforms, tons of paid platforms that I'm not discussing in this video, and that's because I want to keep this straightforward and simple. I don't want to overcomplicate this and give you 100 different platforms to start promoting your products on. Let's just stick with these 4 for now. Before I go into each platform and tell you exactly what to post and how to post, let me just quickly say thank you to System.io, who is sponsoring this 3-part video series. System.io is an all-in-one tool. It's flipping incredible, and it's allowing us to do all of this: create the funnels, create the autoresponder, potentially even create a course, and down the line create a blog and a website, all using their platform. We don't have to sign up to individual platforms and services and pay a fortune. We can do all of this, and we can start with their free plan. You don't even have to put your credit card in. The free plan allows up to 2,000 emails. So if you have 2,000 emails, you would hope, even with a 1% conversion rate, which is tiny, right? We're going to try and aim for a much higher conversion rate, but even with the lowest of the low conversion rates, you should still be making enough money to even upgrade your plan and start paying and pay for more emails and more functionality. So if you have followed along so far with this series, or if you want to start following along now, then definitely sign up for the free account, and that way you can create funnels, you can create an email autoresponder with me like I did in part 2. And now let's get back to the video and let's start promoting our funnel. With Instagram and TikTok, you can use pretty much the same content. For this specific example, obviously it's going to be different for everyone, but for this example, creating a reel on Instagram or a TikTok that shows a before and an after could be really popular, really trendy, and could go viral, because those kind of posts go viral all the time. And what do I mean by a before and after? So showing a picture that hasn't been edited and then show a picture that has been edited. A lot of the time people will post in the comments, what program have you used? What platform have you used? How have you done this? I need a deeper tutorial, blah, blah, blah. And that's when you can start leading them through your funnel, right? To the actual deeper tutorial, and then eventually to Phota, which is the platform that you used to create this Instagram reel or this TikTok. So those would be super popular. Now, of course, it's not going to be an immediate thing. If you post a reel every day or twice a day, and you post a TikTok every single day, you could see some significant growth after a couple of weeks. You could also include snippets of the program, maybe screenshots or maybe a bit of a video of the program to generate some interest and curiosity about what you're using and how you've done it, and that will get the comments going. People also save these reels, and when someone saves a reel, it's actually really powerful and it's really good for the Instagram algorithm. With Instagram, you want to make sure that you are using trending audios, and it's very easy to find trending audios. You just have to go to your account, scroll down through the Reels page, and you'll see at the bottom left corner, you'll see the audio there. And sometimes there'll be a musical note, and sometimes there'll be an upwards arrow. When there is an upwards arrow, it means that that audio is trending. Now, click into that audio and you'll see how many Reels that audio has associated with it. If it has hundreds of thousands of audios associated with it, it might be harder for you to actually be noticed. If it has anything under 10,000 reels associated with it, it will be a lot easier for you to compete and show up higher in the search results and actually get a lot more views. With TikTok, you can see which sounds are trending or which sounds are used the most. You want to make sure that you do the same process of doing the before and after video or the editing process video for TikTok as well. Just make sure that the drops and the changes in the video matches the trending audio in TikTok, like we made it match the trending audio in Instagram. Just because something is trending in TikTok or something is trending in Instagram, it doesn't mean it will be trending in the other one. So don't just copy the audio over. Make sure to create separate things. When I say you could create the same reel, the reel can have the same idea. You can use the same before and after photo. Just make sure you have made that video custom for the platform. So either for TikTok or for Instagram. The next platform is YouTube. Now this doesn't really need an explanation. This is very straightforward, but basically what you could do is, let's say you're me and you're doing the whole photography affiliate thing. You could create 5 to 6 minute video tutorials, a bit more detailed than TikTok and Instagram, where you actually go in, you use the program, you show how you're doing it, you maybe have a voiceover if you don't want to have your face on camera, and that will also eventually lead to the funnel. You can have a link in the description saying, if you want a deeper tutorial, you want a more in-depth tutorial, then click the link down below. That is what you could do, and YouTube is huge. YouTube is incredible for stuff like this. Try and post a video every couple of days, maybe twice a week, and make them around 6 to 10 minutes long. You don't want to be too long because it'll be boring. You don't want to be too short because that's what Instagram and TikTok is for. You want to be snappy, to the point. Don't have any of those boring intros that people have in their videos. Just get to it, start the tutorial and lead them through. Now, this is all based on the affiliate program I've chosen, which was Phota, which is a photo editing software. And again, it depends on the affiliate program you're promoting. If you're promoting something completely random and you can't think of videos, well, firstly, leave a comment down below and hopefully I can help you out and maybe give you an idea, but there will definitely be video content that you could create around your affiliate offer as well. And lastly, you have Pinterest. Now, Pinterest is an odd one, and it's an odd one because I'm still working it out. I've been using it for over a year now, and it has its ups and downs. It's a bit random. What I like to do is create really graphical, pretty looking posts on Pinterest, lead them to potentially a blog, and then from that blog, lead them to the funnel, or from Pinterest to a video and then to the funnel. So what you could do is you could create the YouTube videos, you could then create Pinterest posts and lead them to those YouTube videos, and then from YouTube, you could lead them to the funnel. You could create a whole social media funnel as well, channeling people to your landing page and getting them to sign up. And then we have paid forms of promotion, those being Google, Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. Now, Instagram and YouTube we've done already, but you could also do paid versions of them. In terms of Google, you're going to want to start with keyword research. You want to know exactly what people are searching for. In my case, how to edit a photo, free photo editor, editing software, Photoshop alternative. These are all keywords my ideal customer would be searching for, and I can target those exact search terms so that when people search for them, I show up on top. Google can be super complicated. There is a whole host of things that you could be doing. So I think, let me know in the comments down below, but I think I'm going to make a separate video on how to create Google ads for this specific idea for affiliate marketing. Go through all the different types of ads you can create, the budgets, the keywords, the targeting, everything. Let me know, and I'm thinking I'm going to create a full tutorial for that as well. With Facebook, you're going to want to go to the ads manager and create an ad targeting specific interests. So people interested in photography, Photoshop, or various other photo editing softwares or photography terms. After creating the ad, either a photo or a video ad, you want to then send them to the opt-in page where the potential customer would start their journey through your funnel. Just make sure that your ad matches with your funnel offer. For example, if your opt-in page says free 1-hour tutorial on how to make money with your photos, don't create an ad for photo showing people how to edit photos and promoting a photo editing software. It will be very confusing and people will click off. Instead, you want to create an ad about making money with photos. You want the free enticing offer to be about editing your photos to make more money, and then you want to lead them to Photo down the line, which will be the platform that they could use to edit their photos and the platform that you have been using in your long 1 hour tutorial. That would make a lot more sense, and that would have very good continuity between the ad, the free offer, and then eventually the affiliate company. After creating the ads and also the social media posts, give it a few days. With the social media posts, the free ones, give it a bit longer, but with the ads, give it a day or two. Maybe your budget should be $20 to $30. See if anything happens. If nothing happens, change up the targeting or change up the ad post. You could even change up the free enticing offer. If you're getting a lot of clicks but not many people signing up, that could be an issue with your free enticing offer. So you could make that better, you could change it, whatever, you could try that out. This is always going to be a game of tweaking, of A/B split testing and trying different things. No one is going to be able to tell you, do this, it will be successful. You have to test, you have to try different things out. And that is the full walkthrough of setting up an affiliate marketing company, from picking an offer to creating the funnel, creating the autoresponder, creating the ads and the free posts and sharing them. And that is pretty much everything you need. So let me know in the comments down below how you've got on with this journey. Did you start it with me? Is this something you're going to be doing? What do you think? And of course, if you do want to sign up to Systeme.io, the link will be down below. And that is what I used to create this entire side hustle business.